Hi, welcome to PowerPoint Quickie with Sam, where I share with you simple PowerPoint tips and hacks. In today's video, I teach you step by step how to add or embed a video in PowerPoint. Depending on what version of PowerPoint you're using, you may be able to insert a video from your device, the Microsoft 365 stock library, and online sources. As I'm using the latest version of PowerPoint, I'm able to insert a video from all three locations. There are primarily three methods you can use to insert a video into PowerPoint. There is the search feature, which is often located above the ribbon in the center of the presentation beside the file name on the title bar. If this is not visible, press Alt plus Q. To use the search feature, input or enter the subject or topic you need help with. Since you're trying to insert a video, that's the phrase you'll need to put in. Immediately, different options will start appearing. Once the option you're looking for is accessible, select the arrowhead and choose where you want to insert the video from. The second method most people use is to access the Insert tab and then locate the video command. Once the downward facing arrowhead is clicked, a dialog box or pop-out appears, indicating where you can insert a video from. Let's demonstrate. I am going to insert a video from my local device. Once the video appears on screen, you can click the playhead to start things. If you want to edit a video, simply locate the Video Format tab that is located on the ribbon or the Playback tab. But what if you wanted to add a video from the Microsoft 365 stock library, but you aren't quite sure which video to choose? Let's look at how that can be done. But first, let's create a second slide so that we do not add a video above our current video. I'm going to right click on this slide and select New Slide. I'm going to go ahead and clear the elements on this screen. I'm going to go back to Insert and I'm going to locate the video command and choose Stock Videos. Once this loads, I am greeted with a search box and I'm just going to search for nature because I prefer to insert a video from nature. I am going to scroll through to select from the different videos that I have here. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to select it first, and once that's done, the Insert button appears. Go ahead and click Insert. You may position the video on screen by scaling to ensure it fits the slide or according to your taste. To ensure this is working, go ahead and click play. And there it is, your video. Now, please ensure to read Microsoft's user agreement to ensure that you are free to use these images in your projects. Now, the third way we're going to look at to insert a video is from an online source, and I'm going to insert a video from YouTube. Now this says you must be signed in, so ensure you have a subscription. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube and insert a video. This is a video from my channel. Now what I'm going to do is to locate the share option, and I'm going to copy this link here. Now there's a feature that says start at. If you want to start this video at a particular time, you can click out and play the video by bringing it to the location you want or where you want to start the video. So let's say, for example, I want to start the video 7 minutes in. Let's choose 7:14. I'm going to click share, and as you can see, 7:14 is selected. So I'm going to check the box and I'm going to copy my link. I'm going to go back to PowerPoint and I'm going to insert this link and select insert. And this is my new video. Now what I'm going to do is to press Ctrl X, and I'm going to create a new slide, and I'm going to add this video to my new slide. I'm also going to scale the video. To play, simply click the play button in the middle. The book is listed. So the price is $6. Another way to add or insert a video into PowerPoint is to simply drag the video from your computer. So I'm going to create a new slide to demonstrate this. Let's remove these elements and let's bring up my folder where the video is located. This is my video, and I'm just going to shrink this and simply drag the video on the slide. Now as you can see, my video has been added to the slide. Let's go ahead and play this one. And there you have it, 3 different ways to add or insert a video into PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to subscribe to my channel so you are alerted whenever another video is uploaded. Take care.